From the WordPress dashboard, I'm going to go to Settings. And just clicking Settings will open up the general settings. Now here we have some elements that are familiar and some that are new. We can change our site title and our tagline just like we can in the appearance and customize. A majority of the time I am tweaking the site title and tagline in my general settings on this page. We have our WordPress address, our URL, and our site address. And because we're using a managed WordPress from GoDaddy, I cannot change my domain here. If I were using another hosting platform or service, it may let me change this. We have an HTTPS domain name, which indicates that it is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and it indicates that it has a valid SSL certificate or secure sockets layer. I also have my administration email. This just sends it to my Gmail. Membership, I have anyone can register turned off because the site's in development and there's still some things I want to do in terms of security to the site. So I have this unselected, but when your site is ready to launch, make sure if you want people to register for any kind of membership that you have anyone can register selected, and then new user default role. Now I have a couple different options, more so than the default ones. If you remember our WP job listings plugin that we did, it created a role called employer. Also, I've installed the plugin Yoast SEO, and it has created two other roles with their own capabilities and permissions called SEO Editor and SEO Manager. I can set my site language here, and I'm using English United States, and my time zone. So I'm on Eastern time, so I just selected the closest city to me. And most of you are familiar with this list. You know where you're at. Here we can change our date format to what you're used to. I know in places like the UK, they will often do the date in this format. You can also create a custom one, and it previews it here for you, which is nice. You have your time format with how you are familiar with it. Here we have the week starts on, and then I have Monday selected. But if you prefer to start the week on Sunday, you could do that, or customize it how you see fit.